Welcome to the Feminine Takeoff's 30 Days to Softness. Today is day 27, and it is all about seeing yourself with soft eyes. Literally, my queen. We often pass mirrors with criticism, but today, stop. Use the mirror as a place of blessing. Looking at yourself gently teaches your nervous system to feel safe in your own presence. You deserve that. You deserve to feel safe in your skin. You deserve to be amazed by your beauty, by the amazingness of the person who is looking back at you in that mirror. In a world that sometimes can thrive off of our insecurities as women, how powerful is the woman who can look at herself in the mirror and say, I love what I see. I love what I feel despite everything. She gladly says, I am happy with how I was created. That woman sounds powerful. That woman is you, and that woman can become you. So today, I want you to stand before a mirror, look into your own eyes for at least 30 seconds. Smile softly. Say one loving sentence to yourself. I am safe. I am loved. I am becoming. Because ladies, if you can be happy with who looks back at you when you look in the mirror, how can the world bring you down? Especially when you're perfectly content and feel good about the person who looks back at you as your reflection. The world can never bring you down. So before I let you go today, repeat with me. I meet myself with love and acceptance every time I see my reflection. I'll see you soon.